Hi all you Legendary Jewels fans. I hope you're having a great weekend. This is the 7th design in the Key Collection Contest. It's done with Antique Rose, and it has a little light Colorado topaz rhinestone on the flag. It's on one of my favorite little chains. It's a little ball and chain design. It has a round bail, which I really love. It has a little heart there at the clasp. It is a 24-inch chain, so it's worn a little bit longer below the bust line. And I just love this color. As you can see, I'm wearing Antique Rose today. We have a tie between two people, so remember to go back and check those first posts to share and get ahead. And remember, express yourself.